The Supreme Court has decided not to hear the Texas lawsuit against Pennsylvania. Hi everybody, welcome to the Echo Chamber. My name is Carlton Cole. If you're new here, hit the subscribe button, like, comment, and also hit the bell notification to be alerted every time we post a new video. We're going to get right into it. Texas presented a lawsuit to the Supreme Court, alleging that Pennsylvania, along with Georgia and Michigan, as well as two other states, changed the rules the year of a presidential election. Now, these rule changes, they seem to only have helped one candidate. In all these middle-of-the-night data dumps, we see that 90, 95, 99% was favoring Joe Biden. Now, we have to be very careful when we talk about this. And the reason that is because YouTube announced Wednesday they will be deleting videos that allege voter fraud, that allege widespread voter fraud. They say there's no evidence. December 9th was the safe harbor deadline, so any disputes over the election should be resolved by that point. But that's not constitutional. We have until the 6th of January, and in fact, even up to the inauguration day. Now, I'll tell you that half the country believes that this election was stolen. Now, that's an opinion. We have thousands of affidavits and sworn testimonies from those poll workers. In fact, we have a testimony from a truck driver who said he drove thousands of ballots from New York to Pennsylvania. Yet the media would have you believe there's nothing to see. They want to sweep this under the rug just like they swept Hunter Biden and his China dealings under the rug. And now they say that he's under investigation. Well, we knew that. He's been under investigation since 2019, but the Department of Justice, they couldn't talk about it. They said, we can't keep investigating him during this election season. And the reason that is they would consider that interfering. Now, I think that would be considered good interference because we see that even 30% of Democrats believe that this election was stolen. Now, that's a Rasmussen poll and pretty reliable source, I would have to say. Well, I'll digress and I'll end with this. Remember when Amy Coney Barrett was being interrogated by the Democrats? They knew they couldn't stop her from being confirmed, so what they did was they kept asking and asking, will you recuse yourself if this election is taken before the Supreme Court? Why? Why did they need to ask that? Why was that on the forefront of their mind? Well, they knew they were going to try and cheat. That's just the facts. They knew that they were going to try and cheat and that people were going to raise doubts, ask questions, and it may end up at the Supreme Court. Now, fortunately, I haven't lost hope, and I'll tell you why. Rudy Giuliani hasn't lost hope. Tonight, he was on Newsmax, and the man's got COVID. He was on Newsmax, and when they asked for comment, he laughed and said, we expected 4 or 5 cases, so it's not over yet. So hold on to hope.